So CPR is 30 compressions and then give them 2 breaths. So I'm pushing down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 29, 30. I'm trying to push down enough to get that heart going. So if someone was to help, we know what our skills are today, that we're going to try something. We know roughly what we're going to do. I want you to create a fence so there's no gaps in the fence. We have a defib that does work here. Amazing. Okay, so imagine I've just taken the cover off and it started talking to me. Last thing I want you to do, either 2 hands out in front or a hand on the back. I want you to give yourselves a round of applause for being here today.